Chat, sorry. What's up? Good morning, chat. Good morning, chat. Welcome back to the stream. This is Storm Painter Productions. We're live right now in this snowstorm. We just woke up from our nap, and we're live in this snowstorm. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to the channel, stay up to date with all this content that we're posting on our YouTube channel every Friday, and new merch on our website, stormpainter.com. Please subscribe if you aren't already, and drop a comment as well. Let me try and read some of these. I can't read.